If there is one concept in yoga that has enormous importance, is Sankalpa. Sankalpa is intention, and it adds a dimension to your life on all levels. In this video taken from the Mudra Mastery course, you'll learn about the mudra that stimulates and invokes Sankalpa, our intention. Enjoy! Welcome to Sankalpa Mudra. Sankalpa consists of two words which translate literally as the commitment to perfection or commitment to completion. It is our deeper intention to a dharma, to who we are truly supposed to be. Sankalpa is not just a wish or a desire, it's a heartfelt desire. It's from the true essence, from our Atman, from our soul. It's a true openness to who we are and where we belong. The practice of Sankalpa is not just to be done in the rational mind. It is something that we benefit a lot from if we can let it settle into the deeper layers of our mind. We spoke about is the theta wave, the slower breath, the deep relaxation, and inviting that Sankalpa in those moments for a deeper integration. What's again important is to not invite Sankalpa or change from a place of lack, but from a place of deep appreciation and respect of who you are, what you have, and to let your Sankalpa, your seeds that you're planting, be an offering of love, not of fear, because we are enough already, and that's the breeding ground for our change and manifestation. So for Sankalpa Mudra, you just put your hands on top of each other like this. You can hold them in front of your heart, or you can rest them into the lap. Bringing these hands together as a reminder that our destiny, our reality, is an effect of the choices we're making daily. Practice Sankalpa with a visualization and affirmation as if it's already there. So envision something that you truly desire, such as more patience, peace, and then repeat it in the mantra as if it's there already, such as I am peaceful. I will invite more peace. I am inviting peace. I invite peace or simply peace. And then most importantly, envision the feeling that peace is. Because it's not as much about reaffirming it or saying it. It's about feeling it. Allowing your body to be receptive of it, because that what we desire already exists within ourselves. It's just about rediscovering it and giving it space to unfold in ourselves. So you can sit here just feeling as if it's already there. You are that love. You are that peace. You are exactly that what and where you're supposed to be on this journey. So take here a few minutes. And after Sankalpa practice, it's always good to write it down. Also, giving it more nourishment by putting these affirmations somewhere you see it every day, such as your bathroom mirror, or images that show you in that state. Because energy flows where intention goes. So if we choose to invite into our lives that vision of what we are aspiring, we will be gradually, there's no other way, invited. Thank you so much, and may all your intentions come true. But most of all, may you find the joy in the journey of exploring and expanding in them. Thank you.